Good morning, guys. Today it is 14th of September. So, few days back I booked my bike. This is Royal Enfield Himalaya, and it is taking longer than usual to deliver my bike because it's already 1.5 months, but they are saying that it will be delayed like 1 month more. So we have some ride plan, but we don't know it is possible to go out in this current situation or not. But I am building an ecosystem of luggage for my Himalayan. So first bag in this ecosystem will be a tank bag. So I have researched a lot. I have seen many tank bag. There were some good options, but you can see that Himalayan is a magnetic tank. So there was a benefit that I can fit a magnetic tank back in my bike. So I ordered a magnetic one, and if you see the gears of Indian market, the base brand is Rhinox. Okay, affordable and best. Okay, so Rhinox Magnapod has immense a very good review on the internet, so I have to go for it. So I have purchased it. Let's unbox it. So here is the box. I ordered it. I have received it. Actually, I received it in the morning, but since I was in the office, I couldn't unbox it. So let's see it. Sorry, this is a little clumsy unboxing tool, but I have to manage. Here is the beautiful bag, and I want to tell you one thing, that the best part about this tank bag is it holds its shape. If you see other tank bags, those magnetic one or those non-magnetic ones, those tends to move. If you don't fill it properly, then those tank bags will move into your tank. So this is a very sturdy design, and it holds its shape. So this is very clear. I don't think anybody unboxed worse than me. Okay. This is final. Nice. This is very heavy. Yeah, it's perfectly good size. You can see these straps. You can tie your put your riding gloves or anything like that. It is a easy access one. And wait, let me see. This section is you can keep your mobile phone here, and you can navigate. This is Rhinox stickers, badgings. There is a tiny pocket. So this is for mobile. Actually, you have this space to keep your cable to charge your mobile or anything else, and this pocket you can use it to hold the power bank or some documents. Yeah, then there is the, see the side pockets. There is a side pocket, and in this side, but actually it is very difficult to unbox with one hand. This side I don't have anything. Where is the main compartment? You can open it from here. Yeah, yeah. So this is a nice mess. You can keep your documents, IDs, passport and all. You can put some pens over here, some key rings, and there is a velcro, so you can use it. Very handy things. Mesh, because you can see what is inside. So then there is this Rhinox rain liner, rain cover. I will put you and I will show you those things. These are straps for non-magnetic tanks. You can also put it in non-magnetic tanks. So this is not much of use for mine. Let's keep it aside. Then there is this thing. The best part is this is very much soft. I think you can put your laptop in it. Not the 15-inch size, obviously. I don't think 15-inch will go. No, 15-inch will not go. See, if you have a smaller laptop like 13-inch or 14-inch, you can obviously put it in here, and you have some straps to ensure that your laptop don't move around, and you have some carrying facility here. And best part is you can expand this bag. If you have less luggage, then you can carry this way, but if you have more luggage, then you can always expand it. It is actually 22 liters if it is not expanded, and if it is expanded, then it is 28 liters. Okay, let's see the magnets. So here is number 1 magnet, number 2, this number 2, number 3. Okay, it is difficult with one hand. Number 4 and number 5. There are 5 magnets. I will see you and demonstrate you the grip after some time. And the claim of Rhinox is that this material is used. It is very less prone to keep scratches on your tank. So if you have like glossy tank, then this might be helpful. And there are some straps. You can use it like a normal bag. If you can see this strap, and it goes in here, goes here, and this one also goes here. So difficult. How do they unbox, man? Yeah, it is like that. You can use it as a backpack, and when it is done, you can always put it in here, and it is your regular tank bag. So this design is very helpful. And those are the reflectors, 3M reflectors, to give you a better visibility at night. Yeah, that's all. So let me put the tank bag in my bike. So I don't have my Himalayan right now, but right now I am using my CVZ Extreme. So I will put my bag in my bike and I will show you. So you can see that I have just mount my tank bag in my tank. So little bit problem that I have, that this part is not metal, this is plastic actually. So I can't put the magnet over here, so I have to like this. So what I did, just I move my tank bag slightly behind, so there is ample amount of room to sit, but this way the handle will not get obstructed. you can see. So, and it is very much rugged. You can't move it. You can't move it. I'm pulling it, but you can't move it. The magnets are very strong. Yeah. I've just put the rain cover in my tank bag, so you can see this is very snug fit, and yeah, very good. Thumbs up.